Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to link a button to an external link in WordPress Blocksy. Okay, so in a previous video, we linked this button over here to our About Us page, and the most recent one to a blog post about styling console tables. So in this video, we want to link it to an external site, in this case, our YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and click on Edit Page, and enter the block editor, and from here we can go down and well, first things first, let's make it a bit interesting to look at. We make amazing YouTube video tutorials, and then we can change this to subscribe. And let's go down here on the right-hand side to link, and let's click on the pencil icon and enter in our external link, and we're good with that. And that's basics of linking to an external site. Let's save it, or if you wanted, you can open it in the same tab. Let's go ahead and check out our changes by reloading the site. And you can see we changed our heading over here, and we turned it to not really a subscribe button, but it links us to our own channel. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.